How to create poll in YouTube channel. So let's begin the video. You can create polls in your channel to know what kinda videos your channel visitors like to watch. Once you log into your YouTube channel, you need to click View Your Channel tab and enter YouTube channel page. In the channel page, you need to click the Posts tab. And here, enter your question for the poll in this space. Select the text poll option from these tabs to create a text poll. Next, you need to type in the poll options, one below the other. You can type maximum of 4 options. I will like to know the topics the channel visitors want to watch related to my channel. You type in the question and options based on your channel. Once done, click the Post button to display the poll in your channel post section. You can see the poll has been created and posted in Channel's Post tab. Visitors who visit your channel can select the options that they like to give their opinion. And the same can be seen in my channel as well, to get better idea what is most preferred videos. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.